Hey KiHiVE, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking on this video because I know you're interested in what I have to say today. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below to become a part of the KiHiVE. And hello to all my new subscribers. Thanks so much for joining, and let's get right into today's video. So I'm super excited to do this video because I've been wanting to try these products for the longest time, and I can finally afford to get a few of them. I went to our local Sally's Beauty and picked up their new hair tight 4-leaf clover line, the moisturizing styling cream, and the stubborn edges freezing gel. Now, you know, I'm not one to slick my edges back that often, but you know, for the purpose of this tutorial slash product review, I figure why not use it to see if it really flicks back these edges, because y'all, my edges are like this unruly. Just watch this clip. Like, this is how bad my edges are. Doing a braid out, and as you can see, my hair is just extra dry, extra crunchy, it's crusty. I haven't moisturized it in like 3.5 days. So I'm gonna be using this moisturizing cream, some water, and some hair ties just to tie my hair back so it doesn't get in the way. And let's get started. The main choice, hair tight 4-leaf clover moisturizing styling cream. It has clove oil, flaxseed oil, and aloe vera. It is supposed to provide nourishment, moisture, soft, frizz-free control, loaded with essential vitamins and nutrients to optimize your healthy hair care regimen. So upon first glance, it's a very thick cream. So it's definitely a very, very thick cream. Oh, y'all. Oh. This smell. Wow, this smells good. It smells like blueberries and watermelon Jolly Ranchers. It's 12 fluid ounces. This cost me $14.99, so about $15, which is about the price range of most of the main choice products. If you're a Sally's Beauty member, you get like 50% off. You can buy a gumball. Spraying some water and then using this and then braiding my hair up. So let's see if it can turn this crusty mess into something more presentable. I'm going to separate my hair into about 4 or 5 sections. Alright, so I got my 5 sections, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. I'm not going to use any combs for this tutorial because I try not to use combs that often, only on wash day. So we're going to see how good this product really works. Look at this. You see, it's like extra dry. I just want to put enough water just to dampen the hair. You don't want to saturate it. I'm going to take a small amount of cream because my hair has a little bit of product on it. Okay. Oh, hold on. Main choice, Courtney. I just put this product on my hair, and my hair feels like, it gives you that feeling like when you lay your head down on a pillow at night after you worked for 9-10 hours a day. You just fall into a blissful sleep. That's how great my hair feels right now. Like, oh my goodness, it's so soft. Y'all know I don't put you on the products that I don't use or that I don't feel like are worth the coin. And you know, main choice is always worth the coin. So again, it is really, really soft right now. Crusty, moisturize. Crusty, moisturize. And my hair is like super easy to pull apart. It's not ripping through my ends or anything. Braid it on down. And then the last inch of my hair, I like to twist it up just because it makes it easier for me to remove braids. It's so easy right now. Like, this stuff is just gliding through my hair and then pulling my hair apart. I mean, I haven't had to touch a comb at all. Alright, so I have finished my entire head. So now I'm going to be using these little blue perm rods right here to roll the ends, just because give the style a little pizzazz. Alright, so I have all of the rods in. Again, I have 3 braids each section, 12, so I have 13 braids, including this little one right here. All right, so now it's time to take down these twists and see how good this styling cream is. I've had these in for about a little over a day now, so they should be extra moisturized. Use a bit of this grape seed oil.
Drop the bass, mine, 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 the bass get low.
Now I'm about to put a little more oil on my hands and separate them, and then fluff it with my wooden pick, and then I will, show you all the results.
Drop the bass, mine, 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 the bass get low. See me up in the club.
Okay, so I think I fluffed it up as much as it's going to get fluffed up today, and I'm loving the results, y'all. Like, it's moving, it still has some definition on the ends, but also has the volume that I love. So now I'm going to be trying out this Stubborn Edges Freezing Gel. It's supposed to secure your edges, and my edges are stubborn. Like, look to your right, and this is how my edges act.
Oh man, don't start it, Mom. Please don't start it, Mom.
Yeah. I have this little edge brush that I got from Target. It's like $2. Go copy one. It definitely looks like snot. Take this and slick it. Oh. I feel like it's turning white on my edges because I have product in my hair, so. Oh wow. Okay. I'm gonna let it set for 5 to 10 minutes, and I'll come back and show y'all. Okay, so it's been about 6 or 7 minutes now, and time for the big reveal of these edges. So my edges are definitely slicked down. This is my final look that I have for this braid out. First impression, final thoughts. This is definitely worth the money. My hair is super moisturized. All I used was water, this, no combs, and my hair was super defined, really soft. Got some definition in there too, and I still keep the volume because my hair was stretched when I did this style as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Bye.
Girls, posted in the back, got my fangs in my